In this lesson, learn how to share your laptop screen and ask Google AI Studio to identify the OS and read text. Let us see. Guys, we saw how we can use the stream real-time feature. Okay, so we were able to work around a solution so that we can talk with Gemini. We used our webcam also to display something. We can also share our screen, okay, so that it can read. So let me do it. It is asking entire screen. Okay, I'll click here, share.
Okay, it looks like it's asking for the entire screen or stream.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can help with?
So I'll just minimize this and you can guess what is this? Which OS is this?
Okay, it appears that the operating system on the screen is Windows 11. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct. And what is the time right now and the date?
Okay, according to the bottom right corner of the screen, the time is 17:40 and the date is the 14th of February 2025.
Correct. So what is the folder name on the desktop? Can you see?
Okay, the folder on the desktop is named Amrita.
It's named Amit.
My apologies. The folder name is actually Amit, not Amrita.
Amrita is my sister's
Okay,
name.
thanks for letting me know.
We are twins.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist with?
Nothing. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Okay, so I'll disable it. Stop sharing. Okay, bye.
Okay, the screen sharing has been stopped. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nothing. I'm just canceling the streaming. Thank you for your time.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a great day.
So we tested all the three features of stream real time, talk to Gemini, show Gemini and share your screen. We can also change the voice, the format also. It can also show the text. Thank you for watching the video.